Get ready with me for day one of We Are Festival with Pretty Little Thing. It is actually my sister's birthday today, so I'm so glad that I was able to bring her with me, and it's been a nice little weekend away for her birthday. We travelled down to London yesterday and we've got a hotel for the whole weekend. So because it's obviously my sister's birthday, I decorated the room for her yesterday, got some banners and balloons, you know, all the cute stuff. I also got us matching pyjamas, which I absolutely love. This is actually my first festival that I've ever been to. As you can imagine, as a dwarf, festivals aren't really like the best place to be because there's a lot of people and 90% of the time you can't see anything. But because we have been lucky enough to be invited to this festival with Pretty Little Thing, I know that if it does get too much at times or I feel overwhelmed or anything like that, I can just go to the VIP area and have a little chill. Obviously, both my outfits for day one and day two are all from Pretty Little Thing, and if you know me, you know exactly what I'm going to be wearing. Looking out the window right now, it does look like it could rain, but what is a British festival without some British weather raining? It is a bank holiday weekend here in the UK, and this weekend there is so many festivals going on, so let me know if you are going to any. Also, just trust the process. Just put on some little gold gems because what is a festival without a little bit of sparkle? And we are ready! Let's go!